The Lone Pine Creek wildfire has officially crossed the border from Oroville, Washington, USA into Canada. According to Melanie Bibeau, an information officer from the Kamloops Fire Centre, the fire has already burned though hectares in the hundreds. This fire is the Lone Pine Creek wildfire, currently estimated to be 200 hectares in size, on the Canadian side of the border. And we have initial attack personnel who will be on scene overnight tonight. Additionally, we have structure protection personnel, as well as heavy equipment.